Yo, what's up guys, this is Dennis Beloga and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing this Nintendo Switch right here in front of me. You just heard the shaking, you know that it sounds nice. And today we'll be doing ASMR since you guys love the ASMR right now. It has a HDMI and has an micro SD card for you guys, just so you can plug in and put your stuff in there. Here's some pictures of Nintendo Switch that you can take on the go, you can put at home, tabletop, whatever you want. Alright, here we are on the side. So it's it has two Joy-Cons, and it has one big screen, and it has some accessories that I'm going to show you later, since you don't want any spoilers, do you now? Alright, just let me quickly get this round. Alright, here we are. So let's flip this box up here. There's a little lever, just pull that. Alright, I'm going to try to lift it up. Oh, I'm struggling. Wait, let me try again. Alright, here we are. We just lift it up right now, and hey presto. Okay, now lift it up. And here we got the Nintendo Switch. So here are the two Joy-Cons here. There's his blue one and the red one. These two are really nice and comfortable, but to extend the gaming periods, it might be a bit uncomfortable, but you can make it better with an accessory that it has underneath. So here's some nice ASMR buttons. And here's the screen itself, or should I say tablet, since it's touchscreen. We just quickly remove the plastic film off of it. Alright, just sliding it out. That's lovely. Alright, now we're just going to add these together. You get a nice click you get, not really get it normally. Lovely. And here we go, here it is. So this is it, this is all about it. Here's underneath a power supply and HDMI cable in the very right. Just take this out, and here we are, HDMI and DC adapter, so you get to plug in and charge your Nintendo Switch, and you get to plug in and play it to your TV at the same time, so you never miss out on all the fun while you're playing Fortnite. And here is a stand that charges and does everything magical about a Nintendo Switch. So here it is. Underneath you have rubber feet. Here you have cable management places, and you have 3 ports, one USB, one HDMI, and one charging port for your Nintendo Switch. Okay, here we go right now. Just clean it up, and here you got the Nintendo Switch logo. Feels really high quality too. And in the middle you got the Nintendo Switch guide. And here we have a really good accessory, a controller kit. You just plug in your two Joy-Cons in it, and it will feel really comfortable, since it will make your extended gaming sessions more comfortable overall. And here we got two Joy-Con accessories, so another person you can play with without spending having the hassle to spend any extra money. So yeah, it's actually really nice that Nintendo including this for us. We'll forget the manual for now, but let's look at this one too. Buttons don't really click unless you have the buttons up from under the Joy-Cons. So here it is. Right, I'm about to take this off. Oh, the top one and the bottom one. I think it's about full, isn't it? Yeah, it's quite heavy, so there is a chance that it might fall. That's the thing. Will it fall? Let's check. Yeah. Oh, it fell. Oh yeah, it fell. So we go. Okay, now we're going to add some close-ups to it, so I hope you enjoy this. Okay guys, so right now I'm going to just record the video of me playing with my brothers. Hope you like it.